Let's cut to the chase. You are here because stubborn belly fat frustrates you, right? You have tried the diets, the apps, the magic teas, yet that lower belly pudge refuses to budge. Well, good news. I have got the solution for you. In just 2 weeks, you can kickstart the process of melting away that belly fat with this 30-minute standing workout. No floor work, no equipment, just you. Stick around because I will also share the #1 mistake most people make that secretly sabotages their results, and how to avoid it. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. The why behind belly fat. Before jumping into the workout, let's discuss why belly fat is hard to eliminate. Here is the deal. Belly fat, especially visceral fat, is often tied to stress, poor sleep, and yes, diet. But here is something most people will not tell you. Targeting it is not about endless crunches or starving yourself. It is about movement, consistency, and engaging your whole body correctly. That is where this workout comes in. But keep watching because I will share some surprising lifestyle tweaks that amplify your results. Trust me, you do not want to miss that part. Step 2. Warm up. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and muscles ready. Start with this. March in place with high knees. Keep your core tight and swing those arms. Now add a little side-to-side step, nothing too intense yet. Did you know a good warm-up can boost fat burning during your workout? It is like priming your body for success, so do not skip this part. How can I get rid of stubborn belly fat? Is a common question I hear from everyone. The good news is that you can start melting away excess flab with the right plan and commitment. A 2-week belly fat melting plan for beginners combines practical exercises and nutrition tips to help you achieve your goal. Warm up for 5 minutes with light jogging or jumping jacks. Perform 30 seconds of high-intensity exercises, e.g., burpees, mountain climbers, high knees. Follow with 30 seconds of low-intensity exercise, e.g., walking in place, bodyweight squats. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for 20 to 30 minutes. Cool down with stretching exercises. Okay, feeling warm? Let's kick it up a notch. And do not worry, I am not about to throw burpees at you yet. Step 3. The workout begins. Before starting workouts, it is essential to understand the concept of the fat-burning zone. This refers to the heart rate range where your body is most efficient at burning stored fat for energy. About 50–65% of your energy in this zone comes from fat, making it ideal for weight loss. High-intensity interval training is one of the fastest ways to burn fat while building endurance. It alternates short bursts of intense activity with brief recovery periods, making your heart work harder and torching calories even long after you have finished your workout. Here is a sample HIIT routine you can try. Warm up for 5 minutes, light jog or dynamic stretches. Sprint at full speed for 30 seconds. Walk or jog slowly for 1 minute to recover. Repeat for 8–10 rounds. Safety tips. Do not overdo it. Allow at least 24–48 hours of recovery between HIIT sessions. Maintain proper form, especially during high-intensity movements, to avoid injuries. This workout is broken into 3 parts: cardio, strength, and core engagement, all while standing. First, we have some fat-torching cardio. Let's start with lateral jumps. Do not worry if you are not a pro athlete. Focus on moving side to side with energy. Think of it like dancing, without embarrassing yourself at a wedding. Now let's switch it up with squats into knee lifts. This move activates your legs and forces your core to stabilize. Keep your back straight and imagine pulling your belly button toward your spine. Feeling that burn? Good. That is progress happening. Step 4. Strength training standing side crunches are a core exercise that strengthens the obliques and other core muscles. They can also help improve posture, balance, and weight loss. How to do standing oblique crunch. Here are some steps for you. Get into a standing position with your knees slightly bent, your feet hip-width apart, and your hands behind your head. Keep your chin tucked in throughout the movement. Bend your left knee and shift your weight to the left. Then, crunch to the right side and bring your right knee toward your elbow. Lower your right foot to regain your starting position. Pause at the top of the movement for 2–3 seconds. Switch your legs and repeat until the set is over. Start by doing 2–3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Standing oblique crunches, also popular as side crunches, are practical abdominal exercises targeting your oblique muscles. Now let's build some strength. We are doing standing oblique crunches. Put your hands behind your head and bring your elbow to your knee. This move targets those side muscles you will be showing off when that stubborn fat starts to disappear. Remember, Slow and controlled beats fast and sloppy any day. Up next, standing punches. This one's a 2-for-1. Not only does it tone your arms, but it also engages your core. Plus, it is super satisfying to imagine punching through your stress. Step 5. Core engagement. Finally, it is core time. Let's start with standing leg lifts. Lift one leg at a time and reach toward your toes. Feeling wobbly? That is your core kicking into high gear. Think of it like your body's natural stabilizer. Standing core is the most functional way to train your core, Rebecca begins. In many cases, these exercises are variations of popular ab work performed on the mat, but with the built-in benefit of more thoroughly engaging your core and other muscles. A standing crunch, on the other hand, will also include your lower body in a half squat, your postural muscles to bend and straighten your spine. Your deep core muscles are more engaged without the floor supporting your back. Standing core exercises to try Nobo 1. Pelvic tilts, pelvic floor. 1. Stand with a soft bend in your knees, gently squeezing a towel between them. 2. On the inhale, tilt your pelvis forward as you relax the pelvic floor. On the exhale, tilt your pelvis backwards as you tuck your tailbone and squeeze the pelvic floor. 3. Do 15 to 20 reps for a complete set. Nobo 2. Single leg isometric press, compression. 1. Shift weight to one leg. Lift the other leg with a bent knee. 2. Place the opposite hand on your lifted knee on the inhale. On the exhale, blow out slowly while pressing your leg and palm into each other. 3. Continue for 4 to 5 breaths before switching legs for a complete set. 4. Repeat 2 to 3 sets. No 3. Standing cat-cow extension. 1. Stand with your legs hip-width apart. Hinge at your waist and place your hands on your thighs, close to, but not directly, your knees. 2. On the inhale, arch and extend your spine, reaching the crown on your head out and up. On the exhale, round your spine. 3. Continue slowly for 40 seconds. 4. Repeat 2 to 3 sets. Noto 4. Offset overhead march, balance. 1. While standing, hold one medium dumbbell in your right hand. Press it above your arm, keeping it locked by your ear and your spine neutral. 2. March in place, briefly pausing at the top of each march. 3. Continue for 30 seconds before switching arms for a complete set. 4. Repeat 2 to 3 sets. No. 5. Standing crunch flexion. 1. Stand with your legs hip-width apart. Softly bend your knees and slightly hinge at the waist with a neutral spine. 2. Take a basket grip with your hands behind your head. Draw your elbows in to face forward. 3. Inhale to start. On the exhale, engage your core, round your spine, and crunch your elbows toward your knees. On your next inhale, return to a neutral spine. 4. Continue for 40 seconds. 5. Repeat 2 to 3 sets. Finish strong with torso twists. Rotate your upper body from side to side, keeping your hips steady. This is where we sculpt and define those obliques. You have made it this far, so do not hold back now. Step 6. Cool down. You crushed it. But before you run off, let's cool down. Start with a side stretch. Reach one arm overhead and feel that deep stretch along your side. Now switch. Does not that feel amazing? End with some deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold and exhale. This is not just relaxing. Deep breathing lowers cortisol, the stress hormone contributing to belly fat. So take your time here. Step 7. The secret sauce. Now that you have nailed the workout, here is the bonus tip I promised. The #1 mistake people make is ignoring recovery. Overworking your body without proper rest keeps that fat around longer. So prioritize sleep, stay hydrated, and fuel your body with balanced meals. If you want me to break down the ultimate fat-burning nutrition plan, let me know in the comments. So there you have it, the ultimate 30-minute standing workout to kickstart your belly fat loss journey. But remember, it is not just about the workout. It is about building a lifestyle that supports your goals. If you can take control, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends.